I think that's when your why, when you go, like, I have mine written down, and every time I think I just don't want to do this anymore, not really, but that's what I think. I read it and I go, yeah, okay, restart. I get it. So I think you should have your why written down somewhere. So when things get bad, and so you've had that bad day, no matter what you did, it just didn't work, that you can look at your why and go, okay, this is why I'm doing this. And tomorrow's another day.